This video is taping of the wrist. A lot of players of a lot of sports suffer from wrist instability and wrist injuries. This taping technique provides stability for the wrist, which allows players to continue whatever sport they wish. Again, the most important part is to use the hypoallergenic underlay. From here, making sure that the tape is at least 1 centimetre towards the hand side of the wrist joint. You can find the wrist joint by palpating or feeling the bones which are on either side of the arm and where they finish. From here, applying 2 to 3 strips in a circular motion around the wrist joint. It doesn't matter what direction you apply them in, unless you're doing a specific technique for a specific injury of the wrist. But I'll be very general in my technique today. Just like the hypoallergenic underlay, make sure that the sports tape is also applied over the wrist joint. In a nice circular motion like so, making sure it's nice and firm and applying some pressure to the wrist joint as you go. And that's your wrist joint taping completed.